Hello guys, Pawan here and welcome back to another video. And today we have the TWA from the Skullcandy. It's Indy ANC model. I don't know, it's a weird name, but yeah, it's Indy INDY ANC. It's noise cancelling and true wireless. So two things about the Skullcandy I'm gonna say before starting is that the two things I like is one is the sound quality. They provide a kind of good and sweet sound, and second thing is the price. So these are the expensive one, around $120-$130, but that is the highest priced Skullcandy charge. You can find the lowest model from 30 to 50 bucks. So from the price to the performance, they always kind of be the best for you guys. So before unboxing, I just want to say thank you so much guys for all the support. The last video did really good. I think it's over 300 now, and one of my videos over 600 views. So that means a lot to me, and that thing encourages me to put more effort and more time for the YouTube. So thanks again for all the support, and thanks again from one of my friends Sako who gave it to me for the review. So yeah, let's unbox it and let's see everything, and then we'll talk about all the features and stuff. Let's start the video. Okay, box in a box. So guys, here we have the case itself, and we have our earbuds. Now that thing was good. Let's put them in the case, and we have lightnings on the top, and we have Indy ANC model number here, and we have, I think, yeah, we have a LED lights here. We have all the lights on the earbuds. I think they're on charging probably right now. And if you close, you can see how much the battery live in the case. So case looks clean, and we have this fast charging, and one of the good thing, USB-C. So yep. Put it aside. Let's see what's inside the box. I think this is some kind of a app that are saying personalize your own volume. Okay, we'll see what else we have in the box. After that, we have user guide, charging case, and we have you ever turn it to, I think this is for the turning things, no need of that. And oh man, they tied it up a lot. And we have a user manual. Okay, let's put it aside. We got some small charging cable, USB type C, as you can see, and we got some earbuds in the box, and a big user guide. Okay, so guys, that was the unboxing of the Skullcandy Indy ANC earbuds. So this thing comes with Bluetooth 5.0 wireless charging case, also support the fast charging. Another thing is it comes with USB type C. So with $100 type C is kind of must, and Bluetooth 5.0 is a must have features. And other than that, it also works with the Skullcandy app, and the app is pretty decent guys. So guys, next thing is the battery life. So with the case you can charge the earbuds from 3 to 4 times. After that the case will not die, and with the 10 minutes of fast charging you can get 2 hours of listening, but these numbers are with the active noise cancelling off. So if you want to use the noise cancelling, it will give you 5 hours of running time, but other than that, if you turn it off, you can get around 9 to 10 hours of running time. So the total time with the case and the earbuds fully charged, the running time is from 19 to 32, which is the noise cancelling on and off. So if you turn it on, you get 19 hours, around 19 hours of running. So all three things supports fast charging. That means within the 10 minutes of charging, you can get around 2 hours of running, which means that 2 hours is not with active noise cancelling on, that is with noise cancelling off. So if you turn it on, I tried, you can get around an hour or hour and 5 or 10 minutes, not more than that. The second thing that I want to talk about, that I always have to think before going for any kind of in-ear designs, that is a fitting. I tried some of the designs, they not fit in my ears, or sometimes they fell down without any support, but Skullcandy provide kind of a support here. So if you put in your ear, this thing supports it really good. You can see there's no kind of like problem with that thing, it's not falling down. So if you're buying this thing for workout or for gymming, this thing is gonna be a good fit for you guys, within first or second try when you use it, you feel it kind of annoying, kind of itching in your ear, but after within 2-3 hours time you use it, you can get used to it, and then you will forget about this thing that you're wearing it, and you can use it for your workouts, and you will see this thing gonna stay there with the support we have. And also we get extra support in the back. If you see in the unboxing also, they also provide some extra pads for this thing. And other than that, this thing also comes with a microphone inbuilt, so if you want to make some phone calls and stuff, you can see that thing also. I will also provide the microphone test. So guys, this sound that you're hearing is coming from the microphone of the headsets. You can have an idea how clear the voice is. This thing is without editing and anything. So let me know in the comment how is the sound of this headset also. Guys, the next thing is the water resistance. So this thing comes with IPX4 certified. That means the sweat or the splash of water will not gonna affect the earbuds. So if you're buying this thing for like running or in the gym stuff, this is good for your workout with the sweat and stuff. You don't wanna have any problem. And even with the sweat, if you want to use the touch controls on the earbuds, this thing wanna work fine. But the second thing that I want to tell you guys in advance is that they are not waterproof. Like you cannot go deep in the water side of thing. Don't stay outside too much if it's raining and stuff. So that is the only bad part. Other than that, but if it's like splash and stuff, the sweat, this thing is pretty much good enough for that thing. Guys, one thing that I want to give you an example of is the travel. So if you want to buy this thing for gaming, you can see how much the travel is from the device to your headphones. Okay, so this is the demo. Guys, next thing is the sound of this thing, and that is the main reason we are buying this thing. So the sound of this thing are pretty good. They're one of the high-end Skullcandy's earbuds, so the sound is better than the other variants of this thing, and the highs and mids of this thing was clear. The bass was punchy and nice enough, but not dominating the main sound. So you will enjoy the sound with the crispiness of that, like the bass also. So from the music sound side, from my side, it's like a big yes. And with the active noise cancelling feature on, so that thing works really good. So if you are a like daily kind of public transport user, if you're traveling in a bus or metro and you're listening to music, this thing works really well to hiding that all the crowd and the noise in the back, so that you will get a clean noise in your ear and you will not get any kind of disturbance. Just at the end, I just want to say, if you are not someone who need the active noise cancelling or the fast charging kind of features, you can go for another kind of earbuds from Skullcandy, and you can save extra 30 to 50 bucks. There's so many options in the Skullcandy side. But if you want to use kind of the premium features like the active noise cancelling and the fast charging, wireless charging and stuff, I would suggest you to go for the Indy ANC. This is one of the best earbuds I'm using for like 2 or 3 days right now, and I feel the quality and the effort they put in is really worth it. And so guys, that's it for today's video, and if you enjoy the video, please press the like button. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment. I'll try to answer as many as I can. And guys, stay safe. I'll see you in the next time. Until then, take care. Bye bye.